if you want to show that a strategy is strictly dominated by a mixture of the other two, how to guess this mixing probability? So the way is not to always guess half and half, because as you have seen, some of the questions is not mixing by half and half. So I will try to figure out which numbers are okay. So we want C to be dominated, so let's mix alpha and 1 minus alpha between L and R. So what we want is we want -1, so the payoff from C to be smaller or equal to this mix. So the mix has -2 is probability alpha and 1 with probability 1 minus alpha. So that's the first equation. The second equation, you do it the same way. You get 2 times alpha plus 1 minus 1 times 1 minus alpha. So at this stage, you may be able to guess what alpha is already, but you don't need to. You can just keep solving this system. So we need to rearrange this. So alpha, this is 2 alpha. Wait a minute. So this is 3 alpha. It's less than or equal to 2. So alpha is less than or equal to this. And similarly, we have the other one, which is 3 alpha is larger than or equal to something. Moving this 1 to, right? Moving this one to the other side, so it's 0. So alpha is larger than or equal to 0. So what this means is if you pick any random alpha that's between 0 and 2 over 3, then it's okay. So one example would be alpha. For example, alpha is a half, which is what the professor had.